Project 365, day 84. Not much time today. What I wanted to show you is one of my favourite plants in the garden. So before the sun goes down, I just want to show you this plant. I hope you love it as much as I do, because I absolutely love it. Okay, I told you it would be quick, but that is a great plant to have in your garden. It can get up to 5 meters tall. It's currently getting a little bit taller each day, every new leaf, taller and taller. But spectacular, love it. Peace out everybody, love you, and see you tomorrow.